and learn with Jolene. Hi there, welcome back to Play and Learn with Jolene. Today we've got Funny Face, Stack and Ball.
Yay!
Ooh, look at all of our stack and unstack things for color learning, counting and extra mix of match fun. We have also got this one cool ball. Look, it has a face. Can you see it? Ooh, it's pretty funny. Now, what number is on this one? What is it? It is the number 1. And what color is it? It is the color red. Oh, hello. What feeling are you feeling today? Oh, I'm so angry. You are feeling angry. What number does this have? It is the number 2. And what color is it? It is the color green. And what are you feeling today? Oh, I am feeling scared. I'm scared of the dark. Okay. The next one is this one. What number is it? It is the number 3. And what color is it? It is the color orange. And what is its face doing? What are you doing? What is your feeling today? I am laughing! Ha 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 ha! Next one is this one. What number is on it? It's the number 4. And what color is it? It is the color yellow. Hello there. What are you feeling? I am feeling silly. Ha ha ha. What number does this have? It is the number 5. What color is it? It is the color purple. And what are you feeling today? I am feeling sick. Okay, you don't really look that good or feel that good. Next one. What number does this have? It is the number 6. And what color is it? It is the color blue. Oh, hello. What are you feeling today? I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling so sad. I just want to cry today. Guys, look at the top. It has a shape. What shape is it? It is a circle. Now let's look at another one. What shape is it? It's a hexagon. Next one is this one. What shape does it have? It's a cross. Now let's look at the shape on this one. What shape is it? It is a triangle. Next one. What shape is it? It's a star. What shape does this one have? It's a square. Ooh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, we've got a ball here. What are we gonna do with it? Wait, what color is it? It is the color orange. I don't know what to do with it still. Maybe we could bounce it? No, I know. Let's do some bowling with it. Look. Ooh. Now let's try to knock down the angry face one. Number 1. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh! We knocked down the number 1 over there and the number 3. Let's see the face on number 3. Oh, it's laughing. Now this last one over here. It's number 2. And also we've got some over here. Let's try to shoot this one. Let's do number 5. It's the purple one and it looks like it's sick. Okay, let's try to do it. You might knock down 2 again. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, we didn't knock down number 5. We knocked down number 4 and number 6. Look guys, we've got an awesome masterpiece here. Ooh, let's try to knock it down with this ball. Ready, set, and go! Whoa! Whoa! And also, look, you can also connect these back together like this. Ta-da! And let's turn it over. Ta-da! It doesn't fall over. Let's do another one. Let's use this one, number 1, and this one. Connect it. Let's see if it doesn't fall down. Ta-da! Now let's do another one. Oopsie. Ta-da! It doesn't fall down. Even if I shake it. Yeah! It doesn't. Bye guys, I hope you had so much fun playing and learning with us. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like down below. Bye. And also don't forget to press the notification button, which is a tiny bell. Thank you for watching. Bye. I hope I will see you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.